everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my 1000 subscribers special. Thank you everybody who has subscribed to me. Today's video is going to be my boyfriend Jake.
Hello.
Doing my makeup. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, now you're gonna do it.
Okay, what do we do?
Okay, so you can start with eyebrows. So I am telling him what they are and which ones will suit me, and he has to choose what colours and all that sort of stuff.
Why is there so many colours?
Well, because I do it on people, so people have different coloured eyebrows.
Surely people don't have this many coloured eyebrows.
So what colour do you think will suit me?
I think this one.
That one?
No.
These are all your brushes. That one? See how it's a flat... No? Alright.
I want this one.
Okay. Well, that's got a flat end on it as well.
Pinky.
You don't use that end.
Oh.
Yeah, you use that end.
No, I put on.
As much as you want to. And now you're just filling my eyebrows.
How do I wipe stuff off?
Some more spoolies. Well, they're not spoolies, but you know. That actually doesn't, that looks good.
Pinky.
He's using the Blonde Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Happy with that?
Yeah, I think I've done the wrong colour there.
Okay, well, I would use this one. Medium. But that's okay. Okay, next we are going to do the eyeshadow base, which is this. So you just gotta put it all over my eyelids.
Okay.
It just goes all over my... I don't want your saliva on my eyeballs.
Which one do we pick? Beauty blender.
That's not a beauty blender. La la. Now you beauty blender.
Beauty blend.
Yeah, just so it doesn't. Ah.
This one.
Ow! You're actually doing it really hard. Is this getting your anger out on me when I'm annoying? Eyeshadow.
Mess.
Jaclyn Hill palette. I think you can't stuff up with this one.
Okay.
He's using an auburn. Oh, it's pretty. It's red. That stuff there is why you do eyes first. Otherwise, it ends up all over your face, and then when you try and wipe it off, it's like red all over your face, so be hungry. No. I want them not to push you on Saganaki.
Not too much?
Your blending skills need a little bit of work.
I didn't know I was blending.
Oh, you know how to blend?
No, I'm good at
You
that.
just go in circles.
Oh.
Yeah, that's how you blend. So if you want to blend it, you can.
Mess.
You want a better brush. If you want to blend, use something like that. And you go in circular motions with that.
Okay, well I don't ever need to know how to do that because I don't do makeup.
Usually when people do these, they ask their boyfriend questions.
What?
I don't know. I don't have the tags. What did you think of me when you first met me? And you probably thought I was normal.
Kinda. You thought you're beautiful.
That's just so it's... Or you could have licked it. Meh. I smushed it.
Why you do that?
I didn't mean to. I tried to flick it off and I went... With a knife, you don't have to stop it. Like I did with it before. I'll do my mascara.
Thank you.
Because you'll be like, ew.
Even that was making me feel sick.
Really?
Mess.
Why?
Because eyeballs, I don't like them.
So you don't want to put lashes on me? No lashes. What are you doing?
Nothing. Me doing a good job?
Yeah, you are doing a good job. Do you want lashes on this look, or do you not want lashes on this look?
No lashes.
You don't want them at all? Okay. He doesn't like lashes. Every time I put them on, it freaks me out. Foundation. We are using the Superstay by Maybelline, and this is in the shade
Maybe it's Maybelline.
Soft Beige.
Booty pointer.
Use it well. Nicholas Flamel. It feels funny when someone else does it. I don't think I ever want to get my makeup done by anyone else ever again. I don't like the feeling. Don't forget to go down the neck. Now you kind of understand why I take forever to get ready.
Nice. You do a good job. You think you look beautiful?
I think you're making me look beautiful. Okay, now concealer. Colourpop. No filter concealer. Good concealer actually. I look like I belong on the 100.
You look like a Viking.
Hey, at least Jake's makeup's better than mine.
Jake is actually doing a pretty good job. Set it with powder. Stratus, Fresh and Flawless in the shade Nude. Bronzer. How nice does that smell?
Smells like coconut.
Yeah, it is coconut. It's butter bronzer. So you just bronze my face. You have a pimple, can I pop it?
We need to do your eyebrows again.
You want to do them again?
Well, that corner's got powder over it.
Do you want to do the face first and then finish with eyebrows? Because you're probably going to take it off anyway. Contour. Contour! We are using AC On Tour Contour Kit. You have multiple colours to choose from. Choose it well. The wand chooses the wizard.
This one.
Mr. Potter. I feel like you're so over it already. Like you went from trying at the start and now I can just feel you going, I just so don't want to play with makeup.
It's so annoying. I hate you guys do this all the time.
Because it's fun.
It's not fun.
It is fun. It's like drawing. You can create things, like pretty things, on your face. And
But you're already beautiful.
I love you. Why you don't want to give me a kiss?
Because me think you're beautiful. My smile. Time, can you try and do the takes?
We are using the Tarte Pro Glow palette. Do not use the brown one.
Middle one.
Okay, you can use the middle one. That's fine. Trim your beard.
What next?
Lipstick.
Next.
Last step. And then you can go back to watching the 100.
Thank you.
My big lips. You are not funny. Get away from me with that. You know what? The lipstick actually looks really good. Like, I think you did good with lipstick.
Matt.
Want a kiss? It's matte, so it doesn't
No,
come off.
no, thank you.
No, thank you.
Me done?
Yes, you're done. Now we say goodbye. Alright everybody, that completes today's video. If you enjoyed this, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more of what I post, then hit the red subscribe button and join my little team of 1,000 that I have hit. Again, thank you so much, and I will see you all next week. Bye!